Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Friday's November the 26th, 2021, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle of last Friday, November the 19th, a week ago, 2021. I've already solved these two puzzles minutes ago. So now it's time for the last puzzle, and it will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number, I believe, 3743. Yeah, 3743. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And for a 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, we will see. We will see if I'm faster than the time limit. Alright, first question to you. Let's get started. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here I see a single box, always a 1. Here another one. Single box is always a 1. Dual box, the following question. Can we see here the dual box? I see only one dual box here. It contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Yeah, I see only one triple box. Can you see this triple box? Yes. The triple box, the 2 is already filled in. So, 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Only one triple box. Quadra boxes. Here, quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures, constructions, whatever you name it. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. Alright. This shape. Let me draw this shape. Remember, if you see this shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Let me write it here. Yeah, 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yes, here. Rotated, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More here. 90 degrees rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2 in this dual box. Now we have a 1 here. This box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3 in this triple box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Mirrored, yes. Let me draw this here. This L shape. If you see this kind of L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here? No. Or figures. How about the following shape? This kind of shape. Let me draw this here. Let me pull this up. Here, yeah. Okay. Here we have this shape. Well, this shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, we have a 2. This box should be also a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1. But 180 degrees rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. A 5. And those are the same. Yeah, only 3. There are more, but in this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 2. This box can be 1 or 2. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. Okay, so 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, if I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, and cannot be the 5, because we have the 5 in the same area. So, definitely a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes 4 and 5. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. Well. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1, and that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. right. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes together as a pair. 1 and a 2. One box left in this area for number 3. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 2 there. This box cannot be 2 anymore. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be there. And the 1 goes here. So here should be those 2 and the 3 to be triggered by this box. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, let me mark those. This box is connected with that box, should be a 1 and a 2, but we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1. This box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes I need for this Tectonic with 1 star. And I like this one. I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic. Playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet you again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Saturday. It's weekend. Bye-bye for now.